So your competitor just got a new robot. But hold on, before you write that check, you gotta hear this.
Get this, a shocking 42% of all new automation projects, they fail. It's a total money pit.
And what do you get without a plan? A room full of very expensive dust collectors. But here's the thing, it's not about the tech. The real killer? No vision. Not even asking why.
That's where the roadmap comes in. It helps you focus on goals, not just shiny new tech. Think of it like a blueprint. It makes you answer the big questions before you spend a single dime. It all boils down to answering 5 critical questions. Get these right, and you're actually set up for success.
Okay, let's make this real. Here's a tale of 2 factories. See for yourself. So, manufacturer A, they reacted, bought robots right away. Manufacturer B, they planned for 3 months. And the results? Whoa. Manufacturer A was still in the red. B saw positive ROI in just 14 months. The lesson is pretty clear, right? A plan is way more valuable than the latest equipment. So this brings us to the big question for you. Do you have a real roadmap or just hope?